Hi, Burke Watts with Helitech here today to talk to you about our 3 different sump pits and sump pump systems that we have available for you as a homeowner to take care of the water needs in your basement and crawl space. The next system is our Super S2 pit and pump system. This system is set up in a little bit deeper pit. It's actually 17 inches diameter at the top and 30 inches deep, so we can collect more water, thus ensuring the basement stays dry. All of the pits that I'm showing you today come pre-drilled with weep holes to not only gather more water, but actually move the water into the pit quicker, in addition to the Hydraway drain system in your basement or crawl space. The S2 is our combo pump, and what that means is it comes with your standard submersible 3rd horsepower sump pump and also a battery backup pump that will run if you lose power to your home or your main pump fails from power outage or any other issue. So thus giving you double protection. The pumps arrive to us pre-plumbed and ready for easy installation. The primary pump, your 3rd horsepower pump, will move 68 gallons per minute during normal flow as it comes into your sump pump. If the battery backup has to kick on, it will move an additional 47 gallons per minute, thus making sure your basement stays dry at all times. A common question that's asked of us is how long will a battery backup run? And really what that depends on is how much the pump is running. Normally, a battery backup system could last anywhere from 6 to 24 hours depending on the water volume and how much it's moving. But it gives you the protection you need, and it'll help you sleep at night so that you're not worried about it, because it will take care of all your needs. The main 3rd horsepower pump is a cast iron pump, fully submersible with bottom suction so that it gathers and collects water to get out of the pit as quickly as possible. The stationary float on the 3rd horsepower pump means that you'll never have an issue of the float getting hung up and causing an issue or burning a pump up. Both pumps discharge through a single 1.5 inch PVC Schedule 40 pipe that we take up through your home's foundation and bury out away from the house so that we're not recycling water. It's a very clean and easy installation, and again, comes with a 5-year warranty on both pieces for parts and labor. The S2 is what we recommend as a minimum to all of our customers having a Hydraway drain system installed in your basement, simply because of the protection of the standard pump and also the battery backup. So this is what we recommend to you. So to finish up here today, the main question that you're probably wondering is, why choose one of our pump systems over something you can go buy at a box store right off the shelf? Well, if you do a comparison on your own, you won't find any pump system that has a higher gallons per minute flow rate or a better warranty that comes with it, because all Helitech pump systems come with a 5-year parts and labor warranty on them. Thanks for watching, and thank you for giving Helitech a chance to truly heal your home.